Hey everyone, it's James from Creators, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the blades on your Pattern Pro cutter. So this is a really simple process. All you have to do is just get your replacement blade, which comes in this nice little package. I took it out of the little retail bag that it comes in, so it's just this carrying case or this kind of protective case. And of course we have our Pattern Pro cutter here. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the replacement blade. So you're just going to carefully open this, and we're just going to let this spill out onto the table. And then we'll carefully take this white piece and put it back in the container. And next, with the Pattern Pro sitting on a table, you don't want to hold it in your hand and try and unscrew this. We're just going to go ahead and unscrew it, of course. And now what we'll do is we'll actually just be able to kind of lift the blade out. And then we'll bring this over here and just kind of carefully drop it on top of the post. So now we have our old blade over here. And now we can take our new blade and pick it up using the screw. So I just put it in the hole and I tilt it up like this. And then we'll just bring our Pattern Pro over here. And we'll just lay it down gently. And then we'll find the screw hole and we'll just go ahead and retighten the screw until it's snug. So there we go, it's nice and snug. And now we are ready to go.